Good afternoon. I'm here. I'm a side maggot. I'm recording my next YouTube video. Today we're going to be creating a grape strawberry smoothie. So the first thing we do here, we add bananas. We chop the bananas. So we chop the bananas like this. So this is a perfect banana. It's not too soft, not too hard. So you just peel it as so. And you chop it into pieces. Small pieces enough, small enough so the blender can blend it easily. As you can see, it isn't too soft. And you put it in here in the bowl. And you make sure your utensils are washed. And the first thing I'm going to add is orange juice as your base. So then like this, you have 3 cups of orange, 3 small cups of orange juice, fresh orange juice. Just you can, this is fresh orange juice. Now 3 cups is plenty, 800 ml is plenty. This particular blender. Then you add the next softest ingredients, which is yogurt. Or you can't bananas, so you have bananas, like so. Then you add the grapes. This bowl of grapes is enough. Then you add protein. Protein is important. You add protein. So today we're going to use chia seeds. As you can see, chia seeds. Two tablespoons is enough for chia seeds. So you add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, like so. 1. There's 2 tablespoons of chia seeds here. And you add yogurt. You can add yogurt, which is even more of a dose of probiotics and proteins. So you add this. This is 1%. This is like 2% Greek yogurt, which is much healthier. So you add you go to about 3 tablespoons of this, about 3/4 of this cup. A little more 3/4 of this cup. And you add like this. Next, you add a bowl of fresh pineapples. As you can see here, you add them like this. Next thing you add strawberries, because these are the hardest ingredients, aside from the ice used. So you add them like this. Then next, you add a little bit of ice. Not too much, since they already have frozen strawberries. So in this case, 1 cup will be enough. So you add the ice, 1 cup. If you want some little bit of sweetness in this, you can add honey. So that should be enough honey. And you start a blender. Now, usually blend, like I said, for maximum about 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes. It's not to overheat your blender. Like this. Let's get it automatic. Finished, you unplug. First you get it unplug. And usually, when you blend, you need at least enough ingredients, enough of the basic ingredients, which is like orange juice or milk, so your blender doesn't stop blending because it needs to have enough liquid in it. When there's no liquid, you can add more liquid, or you can use this device. This is meant to put your ingredients down if you don't have enough liquid in it. Or you can open in the blender from here and add liquid. But when the blender stops, you add liquid. Like this, more liquid like this. And that's it. And thank you for watching. And well, if you like my video, please subscribe. Have a nice afternoon.